Hello and welcome back. So we have to start with now delete product for a particular ID. So what I do is I'll just take asynchronous again. I delete this part. Let's say try catch. Okay. So before I proceed with delete, first I'll check the product is exist or not. If not exist, don't delete. If exist, then delete. So how you check product is exist or not? We have a logic here. Correct. So copy this. You paste here. So you just check because we are getting product ID. So primary key, find by ID. I'll check. If not exists, you say not found. If it is found, then delete. How you delete is uh, product is equal to await product table dot find by ID and remove. Just make the product ID. That's it. Deleted. So let's say response dot status 200 dot json. Let's make the message deleted. Okay, simple. And if you have any problem in the process, you get the error message like this. Okay, so now let's test this off. Simple deletion logic. Back to here and also back to database. So there are three products. I want to delete potatoes. Okay, let's copy the ID of potatoes and back to delete products. Let's paste the ID, send. Product is deleted. You go and refresh, no potato. Tomato you wanna delete, copy that. I paste tomatoes ID, send it, deleted. You refresh, gone, only green lemon is there. So delete functionality is working. If you give some wrong, you get not found. Okay, that's fine. So we are done with all the code operations. So we tested all. So we are done with so create operation. We can able to create. We can able to update. We can able to read. Okay, read operation and also delete. So all our REST API functionalities is done, and we have successfully tested through our Insomnia software. So at this point, for our application, the complete backend setup is ready. Okay, the next point is the next step is we have to create an Angular application which all this pages, and then we have to connect this particular API for our own Angular application, and let's make this flow happens. Okay, so in the next video let's start with the Angular setup for this backend.